welcome back to the Squishy video.
Today we have a special treat, right, Natalia?
Yeah.
We have a huge bag of
Squishy!
Yay! We have about, what, 45 to 50 squishies that we bought.
100!
No, we actually got about 45 squishies.
Oh my god, that's a lot.
I know, and Natalia...
235!
Natalia's gonna open all of them up on camera. We got this bag on eBay, so we're excited. Let me bring the bag over. Look how humongous that package is.
It is ginormous. I feel like there's 135 squishies in here.
There's not quite that many. We did have to open it because we wanted to make sure that none of them were damaged, but we're gonna go ahead and dig in so that we can show you on camera what it is that we got. Okay, grab one, Nancy. Ooh, show the camera. Show the camera.
It looks like it has like worms. It looks like if these are like...
Here, bring it close to Mom so I can show everyone. Here is the first squishy.
It looks like this is worms.
Oh, okay, I see. So here is
hot
squishy
worm.
Yeah, show that right here.
Squishy worm. It's so cool. It has worms.
It looks like little noodles,
But it's actually like worms. It looks like worms. I don't know.
It does. Look at that.
I think it's spaghetti.
It looks like spaghetti, but it's not.
I think it's burnt.
Okay.
This is our next squishy.
What does it look like?
It looks like it is. Kind of like it is.
It looks like a pie, doesn't it? Let's show it.
No, it is.
But you gotta show
An
it.
ice cream sandwich.
You gotta show it.
It's an ice cream sandwich.
Watch it, Nancy.
This is an ice cream sandwich, guys.
Yep, look at it. So it's home pie.
Yeah.
And it's super...
It's not home pie, it's ice cream sandwich.
Oh, ice cream sandwich. It's really realistic and really soft and slow rising. And I think it smells like custard. It legit smells like custard. That is really nice. We really like that one. This is actually one that I really wanted. All right, next up. No, I think that's it's called a bonbon, I think it is.
I think it's a bonbon. I don't know.
And it's by Cafe Dingen.
I think it's a cookie. Or it's an ice cream cookie.
It's like a bun. I think they call them a bonbon, but I'm not sure. And
I think it's just like a bun with icing.
The Cafe Dingen.
Icing and just like icing. I think it's have icing and cream on it. I think it's just a bun with icing and with pink icing and white
it is by
cream.
Nick.
I like pink. Pink is my favorite color.
And it's pretty squishy, if you can see that.
So here is our cake. I'm sick this time. So it has like some icing and strawberries.
Bring it up so they can see it.
It has like icing and 2 strawberries and like sprinkling. And another. Inside of the cake there is some more icing right
Squish it.
here. Very slow rising.
Good squish.
Awesome.
So we'll do a close up. It's got 2 strawberries and it's the Cafe Premium.
It's just like so yummy and adorable.
Let's show the tag. So here's the tag. These have the red tags and they're really cute.
Let me see it real quick.
Alright, next up.
Hi guys.
Okay, so here's the next one.
Here's the next one.
That one's already opened. It's actually quite rare. It's a Lottie dessert.
So we're gonna take it out.
Yeah, take it out. And you can't really see you taking it out, Nancy. Let's see. Let me hold it.
So here is it. What is it? I think it's like chocolate, but yellow flavor kind.
It's like a custard ice cream sandwich or something.
It's a waffle.
Yeah. Smell it?
Smells really good.
Yeah, let me see it.
Ooh.
Too
I
close
have
up.
good squishes on squishies.
So here's how it looks like.
Oh my
And it
no.
also comes with a, let me get to
It's
the
a kind of like squish.
There's the tag.
Tag is like so little.
It's like super realistic.
And
Which-
it was like already opened, but it's lucky that it's not damaged.
Let's show the wrapper. And here is the wrapper. The wrapper looks just like the real dessert. I can't really read much of it, but it's really, really nice. I don't really know who makes it. That's really nice. Yeah.
Okay, this is our double donut. I think it has icing right here. We're both two donuts stacked together. Oh, I have to do it. It is so cool.
Is it squishy?
But
Is it scented? I don't think it's scented, is it?
it just like has air coming out.
Yeah, let's see. Okay, so this is like a double-decker donut, like she said. And it's got this really pretty drizzle on it. And it's like two donuts.
I'm gonna try this part.
Is it scented? No.
Wait. Yep, not scented.
Not scented, okay.
So it's very slow writing.
Ooh,
I'm
so
gonna say
here.
this. So, I think that I can say what the tag says because I don't know what to read yet.
It's Cafe Diane from Nick.
It's Cafe Dan from Nick. This is the little thing right here. So tiny. I don't think y'all can see it.
Let's go to the
This
next one.
little donut is so adorable.
It is.
Our little cookie.
It's like a scone. It's called a scone.
It's a cookie.
It's a cookie. Okay.
It's a cookie.
Is it by the same brand?
I don't know. So it's like so cool. It's shaped like a pizza when you cut it and take it out.
Let's put you and squish it for everybody. But they can't see.
Very slow, I think. But it's okay.
I don't think the Cafe Dianes are scented, Nazi. Let's see.
Nope.
Here's a close-up. It's a scone.
No, it's a cookie boy. I mean, girl.
And then here's the tag. It's got the same tag as all the others.
Let me say it is brilliant. It's cool. I think
Okay, we gotta move on, Nazi.
they're like Marian Indians or another one. It's like the same.
It's like the mini one of the other one that we just
And it's
opened.
open again. This one's also open.
We did buy it from an eBay seller, and some of them are brand new, and some of
It's
them
like-
are used.
It's like different because it has like cream in the front.
What does it smell like?
It's not the same.
It smells like the other one. What does it smell like to you?
It smells like chicken pot pies. Actually, no.
Chicken pot pies?
Actually, no. It smells like. I think it smells like cookie.
It smells like ice cream, right? Like a vanilla ice cream? Yeah. Alright.
I doing it.
Well, you gotta do it in the camera so they can see.
So it has like no brand where it came from. Yeah. So it has no brand. It has no tag, anyways.
Is it soft?
Yeah.
Is it
Oh,
slow rising?
Wait, it's not actually soft, but it's slow rising. Very slow rising. Here is our.
Oh, there's the next one.
Here's our next one. Here's our next one. It's a donut. Can we take it out?
No. You keep
Very
those in
cool.
packaging. I don't think that's scented. Is it slow rising?
Yep, so rising.
You gotta show people.
Yep, it's slow rising. It's really slow rising.
Alright.
And here is our last one.
Okay, this is the last one that we're gonna do for this video, and then we'll do another follow-up video and open the rest. Alright, so show the last one.
Alright, so this is our little paw. It's so cute.
It's a Cafe Sakura paw. It's so pretty. Okay.
No sentence. It is very adorable. I'm gonna do it again. It's really cool. It has like a paw. I don't know whose paw is this.
It's a Cafe Sakura paw.
I don't know like which animal paw is it.
It's a cat paw.
Cat paw? Oh, it looks so cool. It can like jump like this. Like that, how cats jump because it's cool. And they can walk like this.
Well, they can't see what you're doing, Nancy. The camera's right here.
Well, it can jump like this. Then they can jump like this.
You want to show the tag?
So here's the tag. It has a little kitty. So adorable and cute.
Alright, guys. So we're going to do the rest.
That's what we have for today, and we're gonna do it tomorrow. So I hope you click and subscribe and like this video. Bye, guys.
Bye.
Let it blow.